Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko, Resto. And for this episode, mga master and bestsellers by Delight and Desires, Resto Cafe.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling lost without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you.
Delight and Desires, Resto Cafe, a perfect spot, al fresco dining with sumptuous dinner, foods with your premium coffee and drinks. Located at L4B6 Forville Home Subdivision, Barangay Buray, Oton, Iloilo City. They're open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. and on Saturday and Sunday, 7 a.m. until 9 p.m. For their delivery options, they're also available via Toktok Delivery and Panda app. For their full list of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Delight and Desires, Resto Cafe. And disclaimer na mga nose is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or tastes review. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, in ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. Mga ka-nose! Welcome to Delight and Desires Resto Cafe! First of all, magpasalamat muna ako sa lahat po ng owners or part-time owners dito sa Resto. And sobrang sarap ng mga amazing foods dito na present sa amin. Most especially sa mga waiters, baristas, and also chef. So, tara mga ka-nose! Kaunta! Sir plain rice platter, very smooth yung texture, very delicious yung rice nila. This is Firenze Pizza. For double size, for this 4-cheese pizza, very distinctive yung overall quality and ingredients for its cheese, dough, and overall experience for this product. These are shrimp sinigang, this famous seafood Filipino favorite, most especially for its soup, very precise yung freshness for its shrimp, sinigang or tamarind flavor, and all of the ingredients for this amazing soup. These are sizzling pork sisig, one of my favorite dish. Yung na-miss kami dito for its chef-worthy appearance and also for its overall presentation. Very crispy, very savory, and worth it meal, most especially for pork sisig lovers. These are grilled chicken mango salad. For this salad, it has a good combination for its fresh mangoes and also for its grilled chicken meat. Sweetness, savory, and fresh salad or vegetables for this dish. These are Sotanghon Guisado. Is good for 2 to 3 persons. Unang masahan ko is yung Guisado essence. When it comes to overall ingredients, especially for its soft Sotanghon noodles, and for its quality, very similar yung hotel-like presentation, quality, and taste. These are Parmesan chicken wings. When it comes to chicken meat and essence, very soft and very tender, matched with its spot-on Parmesan. These are Dalandan shaken iced tea. Ito very distinctive yung combination when it comes to Dalandan flavor or citrus feel, mapapa-refresh ka for this special iced tea. These are Kiwi Lemonade. This healthy drink, it will quench your thirst for this delicious lemonade and kiwi experience. These are Salted Caramel Dream. For this drink, it has a cool appearance and layers. It is a very sweet drink, most especially for its salted caramel essence. These are Hot Cappuccino. For this coffee, it has a good texture and layers for its cappuccino foam, matched with its strong dark roast feel, most especially they're using Allegro brand or coffee beans. These are Hot Latte. For those who like less strong and more on milk, this flat white is perfect for you. It's a good consistency for its milk base and also for its coffee essence. Okay, for a rating, Manos, based on my observation, experience, and review, we'll give it a perfect 10. For this Resto Cafe, it has a good ambience and also for its dining experience. Good for gatherings, special occasions, and also for dates, proposal for your loved ones. Don't worry, Manos, mag-provide ako ng link or Google Map sa description dun sa baba to have an easy access when it comes to their location. They're always sanitize their seats, tables, and floors to make sure the safety of everyone. And not only that, Manos, pwede kayo mag-suggest sa mga staff to take picture will be post at their store. And also, I would like to thank sa mga kapwang Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, kay Gelo and kay Biboy. And most especially sa lahat pong bumubo for Delight and Desires Resto Cafe for this amazing experience and exquisite taste when it comes to quality, services, and overall precision when it comes to your foods. Once again, thank you so much for this amazing soft opening and Resto Cafe in Oton. Congratulations to Delight and Desires Resto Cafe. Stay safe, Panos. See you in my next brand or taste review here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!